Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you bash.files on Linux. So let's open the terminal and we will start. So in order to see our bash.files, we have to use command list and we have to list all, because bash.files are hidden, because every file that is hidden have a dot at the beginning of its name. So as you can see, I will list the home section. We have some .files right there. This one are from my VirtualBox, so they are not that important, but for example this four I think are pretty important. So we have bash history. This basically stores a history. We have bash logout, we have bashrc and a bash profile. So maybe I should start with saying what files are loaded at the start of our logging shell. So how does it work? First of all, we are loading bash profile. Why? Because if I will cut a bash profile, I mean the profile, as you can see inside of it, we are running the bashrc file. So first of all, we are loading bash profile. Then we are loading bashrc. So this is the order of what we are doing in our system. Second of all, we have bashrc. What's inside bashrc? So I will cut bashrc, and as you can see, we have a lot of things right there. What is bashrc? Bashrc is a configuration file. That is, as I said before, started automatically by this profile file, by this profile.file, and it contains a configuration of our terminal. So it basically we can define aliases inside of it. So for example, here you have some aliases. We can create environment variables. We can add some functions right there. So it is pretty important. And now I will show you how to create a simple alias in this bash profile file. So let's start with editing it. We can edit it by typing in nano, and of course we will do something like this. So from the home section we will edit .bashrc. Of course we have to add this dot because this file is hidden. And right now we will go at the end. We'll do something the same. So here we have some aliases. I will do the same. So for example, I will do alias, for example, t and t equals, and right now maybe pwd. We will print working directory by typing in tt in our terminal. How can we save that? We have to press Ctrl+O, we have to press enter, and we have to press Ctrl+X in order to exit. Now we have to save the changes. We have to type in the command that looks like this: source, and again bashrc, but of course with the dot, so bashrc. And now we can test our alias. So I will type in tt, and as you can see, it is printing the working directory, same as the command pwd. And of course, after the ending of the terminal, as I said before, bashrc file is loaded automatically by the profile file. Our alias will still work like this. So this is how the bash.files works on Linux. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.